Guys doing okay, guys? So you're welcome back to my channel and you're welcome back to today's video, guys. Now in today's video I'm literally very excited to show you an amazing ingredient that would actually help you to give you that youthful skin, give you that glow using a natural means. Okay, this is orange. Okay, all right, so now are you actually experiencing all of those roughness? Your skin is dry and you just need some solutions, some very cheap and very effective solution. Well, you're in the right place, guys, because I'm going to be showing you that. Okay, and that is going to be very beautiful. So this is orange, and what we're going to literally need here is the orange peel. Okay, guys, so we're only going to be needing 3 ingredients for this particular remedy, and this remedy works a whole lot, like very well. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to be peeling off the orange peel, just like that. Alright, guys, so this is what we need: some orange peel, yeah, and we're going to be cutting it in pieces. Guys, do you know that orange peel actually contains more vitamins than even the orange? The acidic nature in this orange peel, or the acidic ingredients in this peel, helps so much to repair your skin, literally. So if you've actually not tried this particular ingredient that I'm about to show you, watch this video to the very end, guys, because I'm very sure you're not going to regret it, because I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to apply it onto my own skin and how effective this is going to be onto my skin. So after which I have done that, I'm going to be putting just a little water. Now the water in it is just to enable me blend my orange peel very well. Alright, guys, so after blending this is how it's going to be looking like. And what I'm going to be needing, I'm going to be needing a strainer. And since it didn't blend properly, because this blender is actually not very strong, I'm going to be sieving it out. And basically this is my orange peel juice, which is very good. Oh, okay. Alright, so the very next ingredient is rice powder. Now if you want that flawless and a smooth, radiant and a younger skin, guys, you need to get a rice powder. In case you're going to be asking me how I'm going to be getting my rice powder, just grab some rice in your kitchen, put it in a very strong blender, because if you put it in a blender that is not strong, it's not going to blend well. It's not going to turn to powder like this. But put it in a very strong blender, blend it really well. You have your rice powder. Just store it and literally have that flawless skin with your rice powder stored at home. Okay, so now rice powder contains a whole lot of ingredients that is very suitable for the skin. It lightens up the skin. It actually helps to repair the skin. It makes your skin glow. It makes your skin really smooth. It makes your skin really soft. Yeah, so after that is done, you're going to mix it and mix it up really well, just like this. You can see the consistency, not too thick, not too liquid, but I'm still going to continue mixing this up. Okay, so this is it. Alright, so you will continue watching this video because I'm going to be applying this onto my skin, and I'm going to show you how this is going to be looking onto my skin, y'all. Okay guys, so the very last ingredient is potato. Now potato is a great and natural skin beautifying agent. It contains the juice in it actually helps to beautify your skin, close the large and open pores, and it's literally help you glow. Like you are going to be really popping out really well. Alright guys, so after you've peeled your potato, then you can actually cut it into pieces like this. Now what I'm going to do here is that I'm gonna go wash this and then put it and then boil it, blend it. That is going to be done behind the camera and I'm going to be right back to show you the finished potato. Okay guys, so this is it. This is how it looks like. Alright, so I've actually boiled it and blended it. I blended it in a very strong blender, although it wasn't difficult to blend. Okay, so do not panic about that. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna be taking about 2 tablespoons of my potato. And after putting it in, I will stir it. Now because of the rice powder, the ingredient is actually going to be too thick, okay, to apply on the face. So what I'm going to do here is that since I actually initially put in the orange zest, let's put in the orange juice also, so that the vitamin C is going to be complete, guys. So I'm going to be squeezing more of the juice in here. Okay, so after putting a little more orange juice, I'm going to be stirring this. Okay, the consistency look a little watery, but it's still going to get thick because of the rice powder. Alright guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I'm gonna be applying this onto my skin, onto my face, literally, and how effective this is gonna turn my face into a baby skin, guys. I'm so excited for this particular ingredient because it is an amazing ingredient, y'all. Okay, so video number 8. Alright, okay guys, so this is the treatment. This is how it looks like. Okay, you can actually use a brush to apply, or you can use your hands or whatever you want to use. For that flawless skin, the very first thing you're going to do is to dip your hand into the water, or is to first of all clean your face. Literally just clean your face first of all before you apply this. Okay, now the reason for cleaning your face is so that your skin can be soft enough to respond to this treatment, because it's actually a natural treatment. There's no chemical in it. So what I'm gonna do, you're going to spread this treatment onto your face just like this. Okay guys, so after generously applying this treatment, yeah, what you're going to do now is that you're gonna wait a little. Like, this treatment smells really good in my nose. I don't know, maybe because of my present situation, like, you know, and it is really, really nice. Okay, so you're going to use your hand, and then you're going to massage your skin round. You're going to massage your skin like this. Okay, now the skin actually needs a lot of massage, okay, so that it will be rejuvenated. Okay, so after that you have to just keep on rubbing your skin like this in a circular motion, and make sure you do that gently, okay, so that you don't bruise your skin. You know, for that glow of your skin, you need to glow up. Okay guys, so after which you have actually, you know, scrubbed this a whole lot, then you can hold on for like 3 minutes, okay, 3 or 5 minutes. Let it just stay there and work wonders on your skin, make your skin flawless, make your skin look beautiful, and all of that. Okay, so after that, then you can actually just clean it out first of all before you wash it. So I'm actually going to be showing you how you're going to be cleaning this out. Okay, just like that. So after which you've cleaned this out, you're going to notice that your skin is actually going to be softer. It's going to feel good. Okay, you're going to be feeling good on your skin, and man, it feels really, really good. Okay, so for this particular ingredient, you would have to apply it for at least 3 times in a week, okay, for an effective result, and then you are going to glow like really, really well. Okay, so that's how you're gonna go. So if you do love my video, please, why not give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I will see you again in my very next video.